I have absolutely no idea if this is going to work, but we're going to do it. I'll explain in just a second, but hi, how's everyone doing? I'm back. Hi, it's me. So there are going to be a few changes, and I think I'm a little bit too loud. Let me just adjust my volume just a tad because that is peaking onto the red, and I don't like that. How about now? 1, 2, 3. Okay, seems to be fine. And I am a little bit off frame here. Maybe to the left. A little bit. Oh, hold on. Nope, that's too much. How about there? I think that's fine. Okay. I hope you guys are okay. Let me know if everything is good. It's good with the stream because I chose a very terrible time to make a bunch of changes all at once. So as you can notice, there is no background music. I decided to not put it on just yet because I still need to fiddle around with the settings on OBS so that Twitch doesn't mute my entire stream. So there are a couple of tweaks that I have to do there still. So I'm not going to do music today. The other thing that I wanted to show you is, let me see if I can do this live. So as you can see, Mac, right? No problems there. But what if, let me see if this works. Hold on. I'm gonna do this live. Where is it? What if I do this? Boop. Magic. And now I'm on Windows. I think. Well, I'm on Windows, but that I can't see that monitor just now. Because that monitor, I have it connected to my Mac. But I can switch between Windows and Mac at will. Because today I received the thing I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. I have a capture card now. I managed to grab an Elgato HD 60X. They finally became available here in where I live. And I immediately grabbed one, bought it online, and I waited for like 2 weeks for it to arrive. It's not as great here as it is in the US. We don't have Amazon like you guys have. But yeah, I grabbed one, I have one, and I decided to start using it right away. So now, let me see if I can go back here. Now I can stream from my Windows PC, which is a very competent and very, I would say, high-end laptop with NVIDIA and everything and all the stuff. So it's a very good gaming laptop. So that'll be my streaming setup, and I can just work on my Mac and not worry about it running out of CPU all of a sudden. So that is one thing. The other thing that I want to do, and I'm going to try this out live later today, see if it works, maybe it won't, I don't know, is the fact that I can now play games on my console. Today we're going to try to connect this baby to my capture card. I already have it connected. I just haven't added the OBS stuff. So I'm going to do that later today. See if we can play some games on the Switch using my new hardware. So yeah, like I said, I made a bunch of changes. I pretty much screwed up my automation on my Stream Deck because I had to pretty much reinstall all of the actions that I had already on my Stream Deck on my Mac. So I had to redo all of that on my Windows PC. Managed to get some of it in, like the status screen, like the start screen that you saw. That was, I managed to get this like 5 minutes before starting. And things like, I think the camera works. Like if I want to excuse myself for a second, I can do that. That I managed to do. I don't have the be right back screen. I can add that quickly though. Maybe I should start by adding a few things before we start working on code. If you'll allow me, because if I don't do this right now, it's going to interfere. So like the, oh, and another thing, this is very good. Now that I can stream on my Windows PC, I finally have access to StreamerBot. And that is amazing. Not only that, I also have access to SpeakerBot, which is even more amazing. Which means now I can have TTS running on my Windows PC via SpeakerBot and StreamerBot, and I can have it working for both Twitch and YouTube, which is good. Love that. So no longer YouTube will be ignored. But I do have I do need to see if it works. Let me see if it does. Can I do it here? Okay, I'm gonna switch to my Windows setup and try and do that real quick. So I'm gonna switch my monitor over here. And I'm going to switch my mouse, and finally I'm going to hide the cam link right there. All right, so let's see if we can do this. Let's see if I can do this without leaking anything. The good thing is that I have a main monitor, and I have a second one where I can look at chat and also look at OBS directly, so I can see myself at all times and avoid any problems with things hiding my face and everything else. So let's see if I can connect this. So first, let's launch this one. See if it pops here or in the second monitor. Or if it works at all. Come on. Don't be shy. There you go. All right, I'm gonna put you over on this side for me to work. Everything seems to be connected or partially connected. I still have to raise SpeakerBot. I think I managed to get one thing done with StreamerBot, and that is I managed to get one of the actions that I wanted, which was, do I have the ads action? Yes. So if everything goes according to plan, and I hope it does, I should be able to transition from this scene to the ad scene once ads pop off. And I'm hoping that works. It's already there in StreamerBot. Let me show you. So I have this Twitch ads action. Whenever ads run, I should be able to automatically switch to the ads scene without me having to touch anything. So that'll eliminate the human factor there. Factor. And I can see chat here. I'm hoping that pops at some point during the stream. I don't even know how long into the stream we have to be. But again, if something goes wrong, please let me know in chat so that I can correct immediately. I also have an action for following on Twitch, and it should, in theory, let me know using SpeakerBot. I think I can test that. I mean, I'm going to actually test it. I don't know if this is going to come through on the stream. In fact, I am going to, why can I not see anything else on my mixer? Oh, I only have the mic on this side. Huh. Let me see. Oh, it did it on its own. So we're in ads right now. Interesting that it didn't show on my Twitch chat though. That is concerning. But at least we are going to stay on ad breaks for whatever whatever duration the ads are, which is generally or at a maximum of what is it, 90 seconds? Yes. So 1.5 minutes. Why is the streamer? Why did the chat here did not show me anything like that? Streamer chat. It usually does. Maybe it's in the other window. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's in the other window. Apparently the OBS chat does not show ad breaks. So we should stay in ads for another 20 seconds maybe. And then it should go away automatically. Let's see if it does. Crossing fingers. Yeah. Welcome back. If you're on Twitch, we're back from ads. So yeah, this I really like. Why is this partially connected? Why? Oh, it's not connected to YouTube? Why? Oh, do I have to sign in? Hold on. Let me sign in on this real quick. Apparently I have to sign in every single freaking time. All right. That was easy. I just have to click that button every time. But now I am logged in with Google. I still don't have any actions available, or I don't think I do. Well, there is one. Like I said, either you subscribe on YouTube or you follow me on Twitch, there should be a message that is spoken using SpeakerBot, but I don't think it's going to pop up because there is no audio here, just a mic, which I don't like. Maybe let me see if I can add the system audio. Let me see. Hold on. We're doing it live, baby. I'm gonna add a new audio source. I think. Audio input, audio output capture. Is it? Yeah, output capture, I guess. Windows. No. I'm typing in the wrong place. Hold on. This will be Windows audio. Device, it's no. Okay, speakers. Speakers. Or maybe headphones. I'm gonna try the default speaker, see how that goes. Use device, that's fine. Okay. Now all I have to do is try some sound. How do I test this? Can I maybe I'm gonna try a YouTube video real quick. See if that comes out on the audio part. Hold on. I do have to lower the volume because otherwise I'm going to blast everyone's ears. Let's see if this comes up. Actually, I'm gonna move that window over here. Let's see if this works. I'm gonna switch to OBS here and
okay, let's go to new run.
No, I can hear it, but it doesn't show up here in OBS. Why is that? In fact, my audio on my ears is way too loud. Take that down a bit. Maybe it's not the speakers. I'm going to transition to headphones, maybe. Headphones properties. Maybe use the headphones there. Okay. Will that work? Okay, so that works. I hope it's not too loud. If I do this.
The twat.
You didn't say twat. You said thoat. That is not the same word. It's a very different thing.
Okay.
You wrote the word thoat and it pronounced it like that. That's very different.
So sound seems to be coming off. So I can hear it and you can hear it too. That should be fine. So that means if I do a test here for a subscriber, let me try that and test it. Test trigger.
Tuto1902 just subscribe to the channel. You're amazing.
Okay, that works. How about the follow one? Simulate event.
Botrix official just followed. You're amazing.
Cool. That's, I don't know why I chose that user, but that's fine. It's like it's my bot account. I don't know, but it works, which is great. So that's gonna show up. I don't have overlays yet, and that'll be a nice project for the next couple of weeks because I can actually configure an action here on StreamerBot that can make a call to hold on. It can make a webhook call to a URL of my choice. So imagine that I can get the code of whatever I've been doing so far, modify the code so that instead of reacting to calls from Twitch, it will react to calls from StreamerBot. And StreamerBot can pass variables into that webhook call, like the account ID, for example. And then I can use Twitch API to get that account ID and then display the overlay with the actual message that came in. So we can try and create and not waste the entire code base that we have been working so far, but add to it and make an interaction and make a connection between StreamerBot with its spoken system. So it speaks via SpeakerBot, but the overlay with the message and the user avatar, for example, will be shown in our code. So that offloads the part of our code having to make the or contact the Twitch API, sorry, not the Twitch API, the Google API TTS service. So that's taken off of our code base. That's now on SpeakerBot side, and we just take care of the overlay. We receive a few parameters from SpeakerBot or from StreamerBot, and we make a couple of API calls to get avatars and yeah, basically avatars, I think. That'll be a nice integration, I think. You can barely hear it. Okay, let me just turn maybe I turned it down way too much. Hi, Willie, how you doing? Let me try that again.
Tuto1902 just subscribed to the channel. You're amazing.
Was that better? Yeah, I think I turned it down way too much. Also, let me know how is the much better. Cool. Let me know how is the quality of the stream on your YouTube side. So if you can let me know if the quality is okay, if there is any lagging of any kind, because I am streaming at pretty much twice the bit rate that I usually have on the previous live stream settings. So if there is any lagging of any kind or anything else, let me know so I can troubleshoot accordingly. We're doing it live, baby. What else do I want here? Maybe I can get the Be Right Back screen set up right away. Shouldn't be too hard. Let me see. Where is the stream deck? Okay. So the Be Right Back. This is that button right there. We're gonna need a new source. So this is a source visibility. Yes, I think. So I'm gonna add a new source. Looks good. Looks good thus far. I appreciate the sharing that information. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna take a few minutes if you would indulge me on this few minutes to just get a basic stuff set up here for the future. I'm gonna take some time off stream to get everything up and running as it should. But I'm just gonna set a few basic things here so that it doesn't bother me that much. Like the Be Right Back screen, I'm not gonna do the sounds just yet. I should get the clip going though. That one I do need. Let's see. So I'm gonna create a new source here. That is a media source. Let's call it BRB. Okay, and then find that video. Be right back. There we go. Open that one. Put it on loop. And that should be pretty much it. It's gonna pop up right away. But now I'm gonna leave it there, I think. Maybe this level and then go into, I'm gonna hide it actually. Boop. And I'm going to set it animation for hiding and showing. So the show animation, let's set it to slide up. That should be good. Slide up. And the hide animation, slide down. Okay. So if I trigger it manually here, it should be whoop, and then whoop. Cool. Now let's configure this button here. So that'll be right back. The scene, it's on live stream scene, and the source, BRB. All right, so if I press that button now, if I press the button now, it works. All right. Oop. All right, cool. That's one less thing to worry about. What is the other one? Okay, let's take care of this clip one. That should be fine, actually. Let me try it out. So, boop. Works. That should be a new clip on my Twitch account, and I'm going to just quickly make sure that's the case. I don't think they pop up right away, though. I don't think they show up immediately. And they don't. They take a while, usually. So, but it should. It gave me a green check mark. That usually means it works. So I'm not gonna worry about that. If there's anyone on the Twitch side, do let me know also if the quality of the video is fine, if there's any problems there as well. It'll be much, much appreciated. This is getting too cold in here. Can feel it on my nose. Also, I had to change the mic. I don't know if you ever noticed, but now it's coming out from this side instead of that side. Something else to get used to. So many changes. I like changes. It means things are evolving, things are getting better. But in order for things to get better, change is always a problem at the beginning. Whenever you change something, it means that you have to improve that thing that you change all over again, which is fine. But it just means a little bit of friction in the beginning. What else? What else? I don't need this button anymore. Ads and stream, those are automatic now, so I don't need those. You can go away. And also this side, it's the get ready and start. They're already fine. I should get the end to work. Maybe it does work. Let me try that out. Oop. It did not work. Okay. Probably because I'm missing the end screen. I'm not. Hold on. Let me check on that. So hide the camera. Hey, Unruly How to Fixer, how you doing? You just got a Stream Deck? Not really. I had it's not a Stream Deck per se. It's the Stream Deck software. Let me show you. So I have it set up on my tablet, on my iPad. So it is technically a Stream Deck, but it's not. I don't have the hardware. I just have the software. But it's basically the same. It serves the same functionality. Hold on. What was I doing? Oh, why didn't this action hide my... So it says hide the camera, which it did not. Oh, that's why. The scene is live stream. The source is camera. Yeah, it is available indeed. Sometimes figuring things out takes time. Yes, it does. Indeed, it does. But that's I kind of like it, you know? When things are like, whenever things get too comfortable, you should find a way to, you know, introduce a little bit of chaos into your. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but you should never get too comfortable. You should always find a way to, you know, do something new, do something like introduce a little bit of change so that things don't get too complacent, you don't get too complacent, and your brain has to work a little bit more. So yeah, that's mainly the thing. Also, because I really wanted to combine the two aspects of the stream. Like, first we code, then we play. I'm a gamer. I like gaming, and I kind of want to share that with you too. Not just the coding part, but also the gaming part. I hope that's okay for you, with you guys. But I think it's gonna be fun. At least I think it's gonna be fun. So that hides the camera. And also, Unruly, it's actually a good option because you can use the software, works on iPad, iPhones, and Android, and you can use it for free. The only limitation is that if you use it free, if you use the free version, you are limited to a, I think it's a 3x3 grid. So you can only use 6 buttons on a free version. And the paid version, it's $25 a year, if I'm not mistaken. So you pay for a whole year, $25, and you unlock pretty much everything. Also, on the free version, you can have unlimited pages as well. So you can have multiple pages of 6 buttons each. So you can kind of get away with it. But I tried the free version for a month, and I found out that it was incredibly helpful for the stream. So I decided to just pay the $25 for a whole year and just have more buttons available. So yeah, it is a really good option if you don't want to buy the actual Stream Deck hardware. So hide the camera, that's fine. Then wait for a second. And then show the end screen. That is the scene, and the source is end screen right there. And I don't, oh, the mute, you have to mute the mic. There you go, that should work. Yeah. It's, I mean, streaming right now, it's incredibly easy. I'm making it. So when I started, none of this, I have none of this. If you ever decide to stream, all you need is OBS and just click play. That's all you have to worry about. Not to worry about Stream Deck or cameras or anything like that. If you have a shitty camera, or even I'm using my phone right now as a camera. If you're on Windows, you can get what's it called? The Elgato Epo Cam or something like that. It costs like maybe $8 to get to unlock the phone app to a paid version, so that you can use a higher quality of a higher quality picture. So it's like $9 lifetime license, one time payment. So yeah, all you need is like your phone, a shitty computer, and just hit play, man. If you wanna stream, you can just stream, no problem whatsoever. You don't need a high-end camera, you don't need a high-end microphone, you don't need anything. All you need is your computer, an internet connection. You can set up everything in 10 minutes and just hit play. And over time, things get much better. You just improve one thing here, improve one thing there. In my case, I've been streaming for like, how much? 2 years now? Wow, shit. So yeah, in the span of 2 years now, I'm getting to the point where I'm a lot more comfortable with everything. And now I'm just introducing a bunch of changes so that I can spark more excitement into the stream and do more fun things in the future going forward. I can never get this AC to the point that I like. If I press this button, it's gonna be too cold. Maybe if I lower the fan speed, there you go. It's either too cold or not cold, not cold enough. Always a problem. And I'm still getting out of the runt that I had to deal with last week. Still have a little bit of nose and runny nose still, but yeah, at least I'm not half dead. Okay, so the end screen, that should be good. Let's give this a try. So my mic's gonna go off for a minute. So if I hit end, and I'm back. So yeah, that was the end. Get ready and then start. I do need to, I actually can do that. Let's work on the transitions on those scenes. That was a little bit too harsh. Let me see. End screen. Show transition. Maybe we can slide that up. No. Fade. Let's do a fade in. And you're never going to see it go away, so that's just a fade in. And then the start screen. Let's do a high transition. Slide down. Maybe. All right. That should be better. Let's try it out. So end. Okay, that worked. Now get ready. Worked as well. And now it's start. Good. All right. That's like 70% of the way. I think the other thing that I should worry about, so there is this pixelate button here, but for that I have to go and install a plugin, which means that I would have to restart OBS. So I'm not going to do that right now. And I don't need this button anymore, I think. Yeah, this is all taken care of in the actions that you saw, so I can just get rid of that one. Getting back a lot of space here. Rearrange that. Oh, that marker? Yeah, that marker fine. That marker should be working fine. Is this working? No, it's not. Mic, toggle mute. So if I hit this one, testing. That works. Okay. Oh, and another thing that I got, new headsets. These are my favorite headsets, my favorite brand of headsets, actually. They are the Avantry 3, I think, Avantry Area 3. I had a pair like this for like maybe 4 years, maybe more. I just destroyed them. The thing is, I Let me see if I can find this. Hold on. So, oh, we're Nats. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna wait for it. Take a break before we continue. I should start figuring out the switch part. Actually, no. We should start working on something. Yeah, we're gonna go. I have two things planned for today. This was not planned. This whole thing that you're watching right now was not planned. That was just the spring of the moment. But as of plan things that I had, first of all, I need to deploy the thing that we made a week ago. I think it was the follower overlay, although that whole thing is going to be kind of obsolete right now. I'm still going to deploy it so that I have the code there, but I'm going to probably change the overlay a lot now that I have a speaker bot available. But I'm going to deploy that, not really use it, but I'm going to deploy that. There is the issue of the tests that are probably broken, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to take that, deploy it, push the code. And the other thing that I wanted to do, I wanted to make an experiment. Because right now we are working on Twitch side, so, we're working via webhooks. Because that was the easier thing that I thought that we have right now. The easier thing to do, to implement. But I started reading about the webhook not the webhook, the WebSocket implementation on Twitch. So I kind of want to make an experiment to see if we can kind of make a WebSocket connection to Twitch using JavaScript in Livewire. And if that's the case, again, most of that is not really going to be I'm not going to end up using most of that now that this whole thing is set up. But that'll be a nice experiment to have if anyone who does not have a Windows PC available to basically connect to the Twitch API using WebSockets, which means that you don't need to have like a public endpoint on the internet. So you don't need hosting of any kind. You can just run things locally and still connect to and react to Twitch events via webhook, which I think is very nice. So we're going to try that, see if it works. I already have like a scaffold of the things that I want to make. And once we're done with that, we're going to move over to the gaming part. I didn't even notice that the Twitch the ads are gone. That's so good, so good. So yeah, I'm gonna switch over to Mac real quick. So let me change the monitor here. I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna move you over to this monitor here. Switch over to my Mac and enable the webcam here. Stream, no, that's the music. Shut up. Cam link. There you go. Oh, wake up. Come on, wake up. There you go. And I also have to do some gymnastics on, you're not seeing it, but basically I have two keyboards now. So whenever I switch from one computer to the other, I just have to, you know, switch keyboards, which is fun. And my mouse. There you go. Should be good. All right. Okay, let's do some coding, shall we? That's what we're here for. It's gonna be a little bored. Maybe it's just me. I'm kind of used to the music now, so doing it without music feels a little boring. But we can go through it just for today. I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna open our code base and just post whatever we have. And it's getting toasty again. All right. So I have a little bit of code already created here. I did this using ChatGPT. Gave me a little boost here. And basically, so this is the client ID. This is this is the client ID from the application that I have registered on Twitch. I do need that. Oh, my monitor turned off. Not on OBS, but here. What's happening? Okay, it's back. That was weird. So I need the Twitch client ID and also the broadcaster ID that I got from the database when I did the OAuth authentication. The broadcaster ID already had that saved on the database. What is going on with the cam link? Kind of turns on and off. I don't know why. It's weird. Anyway, what is happening? Can you stop doing that? You kind of see it flicker on OBS, but my monitor just turns off, which is annoying. How can I prevent that? Problem is I do need to pass it through. Maybe, no, that's not gonna work. Okay, hopefully it's not gonna do it anymore. I'm just gonna power through. A few things that I need to do. So there are 3 main functions here. This is a JavaScript piece of code that is obviously not going to work, but we're gonna kind of make it work. So first kind of a hurdle that we need to get through is we actually need a client access token, which is different from an app access token. An app access token, it's easy to get because you just contact an API endpoint on Twitch and it gives you a token that then you use in subsequent calls. The client access token, however, that's the one where you have to authorize when if you're not logged in, or if you're missing any what's it called? Come on, brain, work. Scopes. If you're missing any scopes or permissions, you basically have to reauthorize. Where you go to Twitch, you click the authorize button, and then it redirects you back to your application. And then on that redirect, you get an access token and a refresh token. That is the kind of token that you need in order to make a WebSocket connection. What I'm thinking is we can probably use an endpoint in our application that will retrieve that from the database. We already have a token there, and then try to use that token that we already have stored in our accounts table. There is the possibility that the token might be expired. In that case, we can probably use the same URL or the same endpoint, but if we maybe we can use a post instead of a get, so that we can trigger a refresh where we basically use the refresh token to contact Twitch to get a new access token. So that way we don't do any of this on JavaScript side. The only thing that the JavaScript side is going to get is the valid token that then we can use to establish a WebSocket connection. So we're going to work on that first. And then there is the connect WebSocket, where we just basically just contact, or we just use the WebSocket object that is available to JavaScript, and we make a connection to this endpoint, eventsub.wss.twitch.tv/ws, and we prefix that with WSS, which is a secure WebSocket connection. And then on open, we have several events that we can react to. The first one is on open, where basically we have a connection to the WebSocket. Then we have an on message event. So we create an asynchronous function for whenever that happens. So in that function, we receive a message event that we then parse using JSON parse. We get two types of messages on this event. One is a session welcome notification, from which we need to store the session ID that comes into that payload. So Twitch basically says, hey, welcome, this is your session ID. You have to use the session ID every time you connect or subscribe to an event via WebSocket. So first we connect to the WebSocket, Twitch welcomes us, gives us an ID, and then we use that ID to subscribe to events. All right. So whenever we get that session ID, we have another function called subscribe to rewards. So that function is down here. So that looks very similar to the subscription that we had previously when we subscribe to events via webhooks. We basically have to send a post request to this endpoint, and then the type of subscription is basically the same. The only thing that changes here, essentially, is the method, because we used the webhook method previously. Now we're going to use WebSocket. So now we send the WebSocket, and we have to, if we are using WebSocket, we have to send the session ID as well. So that's on the transport part. And also we have to attach the client ID, the authorization, which is the access token that we created, or the access token that we have, the app access token. We either created a new one or we already had one. And we have that. We have to send that in the headers. And my monitor just turned off again. I have to figure out this. It's maybe the cable, I think. Might be the cable. I think I'm using a low quality HDMI. All right. That's going to be annoying, but just for today. Okay. So yeah. So we subscribe to the rewards event via WebSocket. And that's pretty much it. We get the response back. So here we have to make a decision, because there is the possibility that we get an error saying that the web token may be expired. So we do need to If that's the case, we need to refresh that token and then retry that subscription again. So in this case, we're just failing. We're going to have to make a reattempt in this case. And then the other type of notification that we get via WebSocket is the notification type. So if we get a message of type notification instead of session welcome, then we just have to basically handle the event payload. And we are doing this on this function here, handle reward. It's doing absolutely nothing in this case. I'm just logging the username from the event and the reward title. We're going to have to maybe use that, so that in this case, we probably have to raise the event that we are currently raising, but we're going to have to pass that event data from here instead of from the webhook call, if that makes sense. So yeah, quite a lot of things to do. Monitor keeps flickering. I don't know why. Let me fiddle with the cables. Maybe that's the problem. Ah, you're doing it again. Yeah, it's gotta be the cable. Are you good? Okay. Maybe since we are already an hour into the stream, let's try and figure out this first part here, the access token. If we can get an endpoint on our code that will basically just retrieve that access token, and it's going to keep happening, retrieve that access token and just send it down to our JavaScript, we can figure out the rest later. Let's see. So this is just on a playground project. Let me open up the actual code. Come on, Mike. Are you gonna be on the way the whole time? That's better. Okay. Open TTS panel. Zoom in a bit. And let's see. Where do we want to create this? I guess that whole JavaScript code, I'm going to just cram that into the overlay template right here. We already have some code. What PHP version am I using? 8.1? No, 8.3, please. Thank you. So we already have some code here, some JavaScript code for dealing with the audio part. Maybe we can cram the rest of the JavaScript here so that the overlay will take care of making the WebSocket connection and react to events at the same time. Come on, get back. Thank you. Also, it's going to be very difficult to deal with this screen flickering that I don't know why it's happening, because I basically, yeah, it goes off like every 2 seconds. I don't know why it's happening. It makes me so mad. Can I change the cables on the fly? If that's the case, let me think. The new cable. So the new cable is going on to, that's the out. So that's the pass through. here's the thing. I have an HDMI switcher, and I think the switcher is the one that is causing the problems. But in order to change that, I will have to move too many cables now. I'm gonna just deal with it. Just for a few minutes. If I get too irritated, I'm just gonna switch to games and deal with that off stream. All right? Okay, okay. And as I'm saying it, it goes off. Let me grab one of the methods here. Maybe just this part here. We're gonna need Axios. This two I don't need. I'll just delete it. Okay. I'm gonna copy this and then paste all of that up here. And before I forget, I need a new branch. Okay. I don't think this is going to work here. We'll see. I think you can only do imports on modules. So and not on script tags. Let's see if that's the case. Okay. Next thing I need is npm running. So a beat server real quick. npm run dev. And since I don't have OBS here in this computer, I'm just gonna look at it via Google Chrome. And that's better because I do need to look at the logs at the console. So that'll be TTS events, not events, overlay. And we need the key secret. Sorry for the white. Let me make this a little bit smaller. All right. Okay, so Alpine cannot use, yeah, that's what I guessed. Cannot use import statement outside a module. So that means we are going to move this into the app.js file right here. All right, did that work? It actually did. Okay. So no errors. Obviously this is not working. We might just want to start that too. Not using solo today. npm, wait. That'll be PHP artisan reverb start. Let's just start that so that we can have less clutter in the console. All right, interesting. All right, no errors. But the thing is, we're not calling that new function. So at least there is no compilation errors. Now we need to actually use that function and see if we have problems. Let's get over here, hide this, and get back to here. Okay, Can I just call it? I don't think I can. Dude, it's like, why are you like this? What's the error, please? Get access token is not defined. Okay, so I think I had a different method here. I thought that by having a script on a Livewire component, Livewire was going to take care of the life cycle of the script, but it turns out I might need to handle this part myself, like this. Just do window add event listener DOM content loaded asynchronous function, and then we can use that method there. So I'm going to copy this. Ooh, what did you do? Nope, there. Okay. Delete that, and we're not going to use that one. Just use that. Okay, so whenever the DOM content is loading, then call that token. Do we have new errors? Yes. Okay, so now we have a good error, meaning we are calling a route that does not exist and getting a 404 in response. And that route is this route right here. Now we need a route. And that route basically will give us a token. We can probably get away with a get instead of a post. Like that. What is this null? Okay, that should be good. It's still a 404, but that is expected. Now, here is another problem though. I need to get the token out of the database. And that token is associated with the user that is usually, or the user that is logged in most of the time. So here's the thing. I think this is if this is going to work on an overlay, I think I'm going to have to log in through the overlay. So move the overlay within the authenticated routes. In that way, whenever I make a call to, if I make a call to this endpoint after having logged in via the overlay, then I have access to the user, and consequently, I have the access to the user's Twitch account via the relationship. The only annoyance of that is that if I'm going to use this as if I were to use this as an OBS overlay, as soon as I load that, I'm going to have to interact with it. There is a way to do that in OBS and just log in, and then it disappears. So that's the only thing. That's the only extra step that you would have to follow if you were using this as an overlay in OBS. But I guess that's fine. And that allows us to stop using a static token passed in via the query string to make sure that this overlay route is secure. So that's one less thing that we can leak, and everything else it's handled via sessions. So I think that's a good thing. In fact, let's do that first. Head over to web. I can get rid of this now, right? That was just a test. None of this. I don't need any of this anymore. That was just the first Google test that we did. All of that is already implemented somewhere else. Okay, so I'm gonna take this overlay route and move it in here. So now it's authenticated, which means now I need to log in, which is not a problem. I just put in the credentials, and I can also, for ease of use, just click the remember me button and I don't have to worry about expiring sessions or anything like that. And now we're back. All right. Now we can create a new route. And that route is also going to be under the authenticated group, which means that whenever I call that route, I can access the user via the auth facade, which is going to make this really, really easy. So let's get a new route going, route get. I believe I named it auth token. I'm going to put this in the Twitch controller. The method is going to be token, and I have to surround this. This is an array. I don't need a name for this route since I'm going to use it via Axios, so I don't really need to use, I'm not going to be using that in any route capacity, only via Axios. And that should get rid of the 404, I guess. Now it's giving me a 500. And it's probably because this Twitch controller does not have a token method. One second. Let me make sure that's the case. Clear the log, refresh. Yeah, call to undefined method, Twitch controller token. Okay, that's good. Let's go to Twitch controller. Let's add a new method here called token. Ooh, what was that? All right. It's still a 500, really? No. Can actually get rid of that secret or not. Hold on. I'm gonna go to the overlay call. Event, where's the overlay? Is it an overlay controller? No, it's show overlay. Show overlay, yes. We can get rid of this. We're not going to be using this secret anymore. Okay, so it says token access token obtained, but that's basically saying I was able to access that route without any problems, which it's good. And now we have a route. Now we have to implement that route. Okay, so what do we want to do here? Basically, we want to say token, or maybe just return. Yeah, let's just return. No, let's put it in a variable. I'm going to say auth user Twitch access token. Now, I believe the way I'm accessing that response, it's, let me check. So response data, that's the standard structure of a JSON response. I just have to make sure that everything beyond that is actually the way that I return it. I need to return from the route a key value pair, an array of key value pairs, and one of those keys has to be access token. So that's going to be inside of response data. So let's say return, no. Return so just that, right? And we don't have any errors, which is good. Now, I don't know if it is a problem if I just show the access token. I have been pretty laxed about it in the past. Maybe I should not. Or actually, I'm pretty sure that token is already expired, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm not going to refresh it right now, and by next stream, I'm going to have the pixelate enabled so I can not leak anything important. So right now I'm going to go back here and maybe just display that over here. Let's just concatenate access token. And there it is. That is the value. That wasn't so hard, other than the monitor flickering on me every single second. That wasn't so bad. So that's almost like a third of the way taken care of. Now we can just return that access token. No need to do that. It's already in the access token variable here. So that works. The next step is to connect to WebSocket, which we do here. maybe we can get this part, at least the, maybe not. As far as I understand, whenever you get the welcome session, you have, according to the documentation, as soon as you get this notification, you have 10 seconds to subscribe to an event. If you don't subscribe to an event within 10 seconds of receiving the welcome message with the session ID, I believe Twitch just closes your WebSocket connection, which is not that big of a deal. So maybe we can test making a WebSocket connection and getting the session ID. So that will be the second piece of information that we need to eventually subscribe to rewards. Now the subscription to the rewards, I just need to check the client ID for that. This may not work because the token is expired, but maybe we can get up to that part, and then we can take care of the refreshing next time. See if it works. All right, I'm going to see, there is a on close event as well. So that will happen when you don't subscribe to an event, or for any other reason, if Twitch closes your connection, this event will fire. And the original code that I had was going to reattempt the connection every, I believe, 10 seconds. I am going to leave that out because I know for a fact that the connection is not going to work because of the expired token. So I don't want it to just retry every 10 seconds. If it fails, it fails, and we move on. So I'm going to leave that commented, and I'm going to grab all of this code, connect WebSocket, copy that, and let's put it here. All right, so make a connection there. When we have a welcome message, we put the session ID in here, and then we log the session ID, and I'm going to comment this for now. Should I comment that for now? Yeah, let's comment that for now, and just let the time expires and let Twitch close our connection. We just need to make sure that we get the session ID back for now. So that call here, sync connect socket, that is supposed to be down here. There you go. We have a session ID. Now, the WebSocket connection is going to be closed because we are not subscribing to anything. In fact, we can probably see that. Can we see that? Let me clear this again and then refresh. I don't know if Twitch is going to be mad if I try to do that every so often. Which one is this, the one? Yeah, this is the message. We get session keep alive. with no payload, and it's probably gonna close it in some time. I don't know. Hey, Johannes, good morning to you. Thank you for joining me. But yeah, we have a token taken care of. We are able to retrieve a token. We are able to connect to a WebSocket via Twitch, and Twitch is giving us a session ID. Let's see what happens when we try to subscribe to an event with the session ID and the access token that we currently have. So switch over here. I'm going to take this and copy, and let's paste that down here. Now do I have the broadcaster ID? I don't. Let me go grab that real quick. And the reward ID, I don't remember that. I don't think I have that here. Okay, I have these two pieces. I'll copy that and let's put them all the way here. I need the reward ID. Where did we have that? Where did we have that? Been a while since I see the ads. Why are they not working? Hold on, let me check something. Nope. Next ad break, it's in 11 minutes. Okay, cool. Trust the system, trust the system. So where did we have, is the ad ID also in the configuration file? I think it is. Let me check. Hold on. I am going to momentarily, just so I don't accidentally leak anything, I'm going to disable that screen while I look for that value in the .env file. In the meantime, you can enjoy the mountains and the nice visage. How's the project going? It's going good so far. We are making an experiment right now where we are going to attempt to connect to Twitch and react to Twitch events via WebSockets instead of webhooks as we were doing it before, which will allow us more flexibility and will free the need of having a public endpoint in the internet, so no more hosting. You can run things locally, which is a good, nice change of pace. So where is the I don't have it. Reward ID. I thought I had it. So if it's not here, I can enable this. And boop. So it's the reward ID. I thought I had it in the .env file, but I don't. So all I have is the client ID. So that means I think I hard coded that then. Let me check. That's got to be in subscribe Twitch. Okay. Twitch event subscription form. Oh, it's supposed to be there. Services Twitch reward ID. What? Oh, I hard coded it here. That's dumb. I should have been in a .env value. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and then go back to show overlay. Let's create a new constant here. Do you vibe code? What's what? What? I don't know what that means. Hello, Audi. How you doing, man? I don't know what that means. What's the constant name? Reward ID. There. So the method subscribe to rewards is going to make a post request to Twitch, send the type of connection, the type of subscription, version 1, the condition. We already have the broadcaster ID and the reward ID. And then the transport method is going to be WebSocket with the session ID that we obtain, and the headers, the Twitch clan ID, and the access token. This is for sure going to be expired, so we can expect an error here, I think. He's talking about coding with LLM. Oh, is that what? Is that? I've seen the titles of the Primeagen, like vibe coding. Is that what vibe coding is? Just coding with like ChatGPT and stuff? I mean, I do use AI, but not as, I don't take the code that I get from that and just use it. I just use it to get inspiration and maybe like a basic scaffold of the code that I actually want to create. Like I just use it to get my head going, you know? I don't know if that qualifies as vibing, but sure. I use AI for coding. For inspiration, mostly. Hello, Johan. How you doing, man? Yoha codes. Let's see if this works. It's not going to work, but let's see what happens. I'm going to refresh. Oh, wait. No. Okay. So I have to uncomment that. Unauthorized. Okay. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to see. So that's a good error, which means that if we get that response status 401, we can react to that and then send another request to the Twitch controller, maybe another endpoint, saying, hey, give me another token. And we can use the refresh token that we already have stored in the database in the user account. And I think we already have code for this somewhere, and just get a new token using that refresh token, resave that in the database, and go from there. So for that, I'm going to probably need to hide some stuff on screen. I am good. How are you? Is the project being tested? I'm not doing testing. Well, not pest testing right now. I'm just trying stuff. I want to make use of WebSockets to basically do what we have been doing so far with webhooks. Problem with webhooks is that you need a public endpoint somewhere, so you need hosting and probably a domain name and stuff. With WebSockets, you can just work locally and not worry about that. And the communication is nearly real time. So I do want to implement all of that we have been doing so far with webhooks, but translate over to WebSockets instead. And so far we're good. All we need to do is refresh the access token that we have currently stored and make a subscription, and then the overlay that we have been using so far, instead of reacting to calls to a webhook on the internet, is going to react to WebSocket events, just like Reverb, and that'll be much better. Hold on, I'm gonna go bring some water. I'm losing my voice already. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Whoop. I didn't make tea today. Sad. Very sad. Didn't even have dinner. I should have dinner after this. So many things. Okay, so we are going to leave the code here, and then I'm going to work on getting some filters and stuff so I don't leak stuff online. But how about we do something different? Let's try and play some games. You guys want to play some games? I want to play some games. I want to play some games. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. First of all, I should probably switch. I'm gonna try the connection. So I'm gonna try and get my Nintendo Switch connected and showing on screen, and then I'm gonna change the stream information. Let's see if this works. So supposedly I just have to push this button here. Hold on, it's kind of far away. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna first set it up here. Make sure it's in the right place by the time I show it. And I'm gonna play this game. Ooh, yes. Now let's put it back in the dock and switch to that. Ta-da! Now let me figure out the sound, because this is the sound gonna come out here? Hold on. Connect my controller. I can actually hear it. Can you hear it? Yeah, you can hear it. All right. So I can hear it in my headphones. And we are going to play Blasphemous 2 for a while. I've already played this game a little bit. I finished Blasphemous 1 just so I could play Blasphemous 2. And so far, it's been amazing. So I'm gonna play that for a while, and I don't know if you guys mind if I just keep going with my save. I've been playing it for a few hours over the weekend, so it's gonna be probably best for spoilers since I don't have I've already passed most of the story in the beginning, so I'm not gonna spoil that. But before I do that, let me go and change the stream information. I should just do this. Hold on, give me a second. Okay. Switch over to stream info here. I'm gonna switch the mouse over to you. And stream manager. Edit stream info. Let's change that category for blasphemous 2. And this is a mature rated video game that may not be suitable for some viewers. If you don't like blood and stuff, you can tune out now. It's a little bit, it speaks pixel art like style, but it is like there is blood and stuff. And done. All right, should update. Go back to OBS so I can see your chats. And there is that bot again. Thank you so much. Yeah, banned. Can I ban you? Why can't I ban you? Really? I'm gonna have to do this on Chrome. Dang it. One sec. Getting rid of this bot. There. Yeah, banned. All right. If the sound is too low, let me know. It's kind of okay for me. Where am I? I can't even remember. So yeah, played it on the weekend. Got some of the map on already unlocked. There were 3 bosses to defeat at the beginning. I've already taken care of 2 of them, and there are certain areas, for example here, some places of the map that I haven't unlocked just yet. Right now I'm trying to work my way up, I think. Where am I? Can't even see where I am. Oh, I'm down there. I thought I was going up. What am I doing down there? I don't even remember. Yeah, I think I'm just exploring this section of the map. I kind of got here organically somehow. And I think I stopped here because I was hungry. So the idea here is that you have those bales, those urns there. If you hit them, it switches the platforms. So I kind of have to do this, and then get up here, and then die immediately. Let's try that again. Ooh, I'm gonna die, am I not? Where is this save point? It's already up, it's all the way up there. See if I can cross without dying this time. So there. Maybe not. All right, it's gonna take me back to the last save point, which was here. I gotta go back. This has like elements of Souls games where if you die, you leave some of your mana, so to speak. I don't know if you can see it up in the top right, top left corner. The blue bar has like thorns growing up. Every time you die, you lose some of your mana bar. So you have to go back to the place that you died and get it back. Was it here? Nope. Well, yeah. Oh, I have to cross all the way. Oh my god. So yeah, we have to go back around. Oh, this is gonna suck. There's this, all of these things that you have to kill. I think this area is kind of out of my comfort zone. Like that weapon that I have is like the heaviest one, and it's taking way too much hits to kill the enemy. So I think I should not be here, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go back and grab my stuff and get out of here because, yeah, see? Usually I should not have to hit this, those enemies like that much for them to, oh, forgot about this guy. Oop. Yeah, I think these enemies are way too high level for me. I was crouching, goddammit. Oh god. Oh, for the love of... Totally hit the wrong button. I switched weapons, I wanted to heal. Oh. Now I have two. You know what? I don't care. There is another way that you can get back your mana bar, or your, it's called the fervor bar, and it's by visiting a merchant or a guy. Where's that guy? Ah, right here. This is like the central area of the game, like the hub. So I have to go back there and just pay like a certain amount. There is the I don't remember how there's a currency on the top left. I have 21,340. There's like this souls kind of currency. So that's the currency of the game. Every time you kill something, you get some of that, and you can use that to pay for stuff like in merchants or for services. And one of the services is to thorns that I have in my bar, that's called guilt. So every time you die, you accumulate guilt. But you can go to a confession and your guilt can be expiated. And I'm gonna do that because I don't want to go back to that place of horrors. I believe you also, right now I have three weapons. The heavy weapon, you start with just one, and you can choose actually which weapon you start with. I chose this one, which is the most rounded one, like well-rounded weapon. You also have this like sabers. They're very fast but hit very weak. And then the heavy one, which is very slow but hits really hard and has the longest reach. And also you have something called prayers, which are basically your abilities. You have quick verses and chants. One of the chants that I unlocked is the ability to go back to the hub at any point. I can use that. And in fact, I think there is another way. I can just kneel here. I already unlocked fast travel to the city from any save point. So I'm going to use that instead. City of the Blessed Name. So I have to go. Where's the guy that... Where's the confessionary? Right here. I think the sound is a little too low on your end. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. There. Let me know if it's too loud or not. I hope it's not. Alright, so this guy, I can talk to him.
So, do you wish to purge yourself of your guilt?
So depending on the amount of guild, that's what you pay. And I've been killing monsters left and right, so I have more than enough currency. I don't remember what the currency is named. Yeah, I don't know. So that's 2,000.
The sacrament has been completed. Now go in peace.
Thank you. I'm gonna change my prayer, my chant back to this one. And figure out where I should go now. Let's see the map. So I should be going up instead of down. So let's try and make our way to here. There should be, you see those hands? That's actually another fast travel method. They're like portals. And there is another portal where I am right now, which is here. So I can go over here, head up, and then left. I don't know what those are yet, those little yellow glimmers. I haven't unlocked those yet, so up there I cannot reach just yet. And I can get in here. And yeah, let's go here. There should be an elevator of sort. Oh, that's the wrong button. I don't know why I forgot all the buttons already. Yeah, there's the elevator. Going up. The Crown of Towers. Let me check. So I haven't checked these rooms going up. Let's see if we can do that. See? 2 hits. That's all it takes, because this hits like a truck. So these enemies are the right level. Let's check this out. So this here... What does this do? Oh, okay. So this is time-based. You have to cross really quick, and there. And that was it. Oh, there's an elevator right there. What is this? Scroll of the Elder. What's that for? So that's another... It's a quest item. Manuscript belonging to the Cantankerous old man. Oh, the manuscript. Okay, there is a section of the map where there are two brothers sitting on a table. Depending on which way you enter the room, one of the brothers is like dead, like a skull, like a skeleton, dead, and the other is talking to the brother as it was alive. So there was brother and sister actually. One of the things that I needed to do is return to the brother something that belonged to the sister, like a scarf. So I give that to the brother, and now the brother does not speak. It's completely dead. Now I have to give this manuscript to the sister, which is currently the only one alive. So I'm gonna go back and do that. Can I kill this? No. Where in the map? I need to remember where that is. So it was in the place of embroideries. I think is either here or here. I think, no, that's not the room. I think it's this room right here. So fastest way to get there is to go back to the elevator and head down 2 rooms. So that's as far as we go? Okay. Maybe there's another elevator somewhere. Okay, so go down. There is the other one. And head down again. All right, so we're here. So we have to go left, left, and all the way around and up. So we just have to go, I think it's here. Somewhere here. One of these 2 sections right here. So let's just try to go left and up. Thank you so much. That was rude. Forgot that the ceiling falls off here. Come on, throw another one, thank you. That one too. Oh, these ones you don't unlock until later. So for this, so you start with one weapon. Depending on the weapon you choose, there are secrets that you can open. And it's very interesting that the game uses weapons as keys to certain secrets. For example, those mirrors, you can switch to the light weapon and then hit one mirror and it's like a teleport. Like that. The thing is, if you start with one weapon, you don't unlock the other weapons until much further into the game, which is very interesting. Nope. No, thank you. Are you gonna fall? Yes. You son of a... Okay. I think that's when that one's going to fall too. I can heal you from here, no problem. Ole! Oh, you don't fall? Okay. Where are we? I forgot to go up. I couldn't go up actually. I have to go out and then up around. Thing is, I don't have a way to go up from here. Maybe in this room? Yep. This one's good. Going up. And there's this little fellas that I hate. Oh, oh, oh. Come here. Come here. There you go. I do have to block you. I can't block on this one. I forgot. Oh my god. Can you just not do that? Put you out. There you go. I forgot that with this weapon you hit like a truck, but you can't parry. Let me heal myself. With this one, you can actually parry. And with this one too. The heavy one is the only one that you can't parry with. But you can ignite the weapon and it hits even harder. So these enemies, for example, you can just parry them. If you do it right, there you go. Mother. Do it again. Is it here? Yeah, okay, let's go this way. I see you. Maybe it's this way. You have to go all the way across, but no. This room here, there is no crossing over. It's very wide, so I probably have to go up. But that section of the map, yeah, let's go up one more. Stop jumping. Thank you. Ah, thank God. Let's save here. Yeah, stand up. Hit you. Just die. Thank you. Alright. So this is the room. So this is the place. Sometimes if you enter from this side, the sister was always alive and speaking to the brother, who is right now very much not alive. But if you enter from this side, before I gave the scarf to the brother, if you enter from this side, then the sister will be gulp and the brother will be eating. So right now I have to go here and maybe talk to her.
I no longer hear your voice. I do not believe you have gone. Is this another of your deceptions?
They did not get along, to be honest. Can I give you this? Why can't I give you the manuscript?
I no longer hear. I do not believe. Is this another?
Did I did it the wrong way? Oh, come on. Did I have to give the manuscript to her first? One sec. Because when I finished that part, I went to a guy that turned that into a little figurine, which was this one, Castula. But I do have that equipped. Do I have to unequip it? It contains a list of names that cover the parchment ink from beginning to end. Yeah, I kind of have the feeling I did the thing in the wrong order, because the last time I came here and I spoke to the brother, it gave me the
I
option
no longer. I do not believe. Is this another?
to give the item. I no longer have that option, which sucks. Oh well. I don't see any other place where I can take this manuscript. That sucks, man. How was I supposed to know? Oh well. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Is he not going to wake up? Nope. Okay. I think, what's the fastest way to do this? No, let's just go back to the elevator. Never mind. Aha! Ooh, that one is knocked down. Ah, I forgot about you, you sneaky little... Just die. Thank you. The ceiling. Oh, come on. Come on. That one is going to fall. So is that. No, not that one. Ah, gotcha. Crunchy. All right, now we go down here and then all the way to the right. I think. Yes. Jump, you idiot. Ah, stop following. I wasn't paying attention to my health, and that's what killed me. Now I go back to the thing again, and I have to do it all over again. Maybe I can just go back to the hand. Yeah. Plus I have some guild I need to take off. Nah, let's just go. Let's do it right this time. Okay, so you kill that one. Excuse me, coming through. I won't forget about you. And you. And Thank you. Come closer. There you go. No. Oh, holy shit. Stop swinging that thing, please. Thank you. Come on, get over here. Thanks. Boom. Bonk in the head. Split in half. And then down here. Thought I was clear. Oh, for the love of God, really? Please stop throwing things. Thank you. Alright. Never forget. Ceiling comes out. Alright. Back to here. I don't think the outcome would have been any different. I think if I had given the manuscript to the sister first, then I would have gotten a token that I can redeem for the statue that'll give me some benefit. But then one of the two, then in that case, the sister would have been just gone and the brother would have been left. So if I found the scarf, I wouldn't have been able to give it to the brother either. So it's like you either get one of the statues, you either get the statue of the sister or the statue of the brother. I think that's the thing that happened there. Depending on the order that you give the item, you get one or the other. I guess I won't be able to know until I start another save or something. I'm back. Hello. No, you won't. No, you won't. So that part over there, that was all clear. So there is an entrance there that I didn't go through. I don't know how to break those yet. I've seen those a lot. And in fact, all of those question marks are those doors that are unbreakable at the moment. And there are plenty of those. I haven't unlocked the way or any way to open those just yet. Oh, a horrible bird man. Rolls around. And I cannot get rid of... Oh, hey. Excuse me. Chicken wings for everyone. Thank you. Wish I could get rid of these things. I can't. Yeah, come over here. Bonk and bonk. Thank you. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm gonna get out of this place. Stop rolling. Thank you. And heal. That was annoying. Oh, hi. what is that? Oh, no you won't. That's a new one. For me, at least. Oh, chest. Okay, so you see these doors right here and that bell all the way over there. So those were from the beginning. You could see those bells all over the place. The only way to ring those bells and therefore open this door is with this weapon. So I have to find a way to go over there, ring the bell, and then cross that door. How can I get there though? Another chicken wing! Oh, you're doing that? Okay. Chicken... Oh, shit. I thought you were knocked out. More chicken wings. Oh, hello. I'm gonna switch weapons for you. Give me that. No, you won't. Oh, you son of a bitch. Bonk. Alright, I could have gone left there, but I'm gonna keep exploring this way. Maybe try and go up a little bit. Oh, there's... Oh, hold on. Weight of Sin. Ruego al Alba can destroy certain surfaces that are impenetrable to other weapons. Reach a great height and combine down and Y with Ruego al Alba equipped. If performed at the right height, the weight of sin will devastate everything in its path as it falls. So that's the way you open those? I've been able to open those this whole time? And I didn't know? Oh my god. So you have to come from a great height. So let's go up, up, and up. So this is as high as I go. Switch that, and then that didn't work. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. You mother... I could have opened those this whole time. I had that weapon from the beginning, but I tried to just hit the door this whole time. I didn't know I... Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm actually angry. Excuse me, coming through. Thank you. Oh, there's another one. So I have to come from up high on that one. So pray on this thing. Jump here. Jump there. Secrets. What is that? Oh, more rosary beads. I haven't unlocked. I only have one mystery, or just one slot. I'm gonna have many of this. Problem is, in order to unlock more of those slots, you need to take these knots to someone. There is still an NPC I haven't found that can take those knots and basically unlock more slots of the rosary. And this one, what does it slightly increases resistance to lightning damage. I have another one for increasing resistance to miasma or poison. Slightly reduces the amount of guilt. The penitent one, which is me, drops on death. Slightly reduces damage from traps and falls. Slightly increases the Tears of Atonement. Tears of Atonement, that's the currency. So you get Tears of Atonement every time you kill something. and this slightly increases the amount of that you gain. And currently equipped is slightly increases resistance to all physical damage. Alright, I gotta go back down again. Oh no, you won't. Alright, let's see you. Oh, I can control this one? Nice. So this one comes down. Alright. And then goes up, right? No, it stays there. Okay. This unlocks this elevator right here. I'm going to explore this side. I can't reach that one. Okay, so maybe no. How can I do this? Move it slightly up, maybe? Like there? I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's see, because I can barely reach it. No, it's got to be all the way down. Yeah, I can't reach that section. Ooh, barely. Okay, so yeah, okay, that worked. Anything up there? Yes. Let's bring that platform up again. See if I can reach up there. I can. Yeah, that one I don't know how to open yet. Yeah, I don't know how to open that lock still. What's over here? Hello. Oh, hello. You son of a... And that little baby over there, that's I have to unlock several of those like that. Every time I free one of those, a new platform is created in a tower, and when I unlock all of them, I can go all the way up to the tower and unlock a secret of some sort. Oh, you son of a... Nope, nope, nope. Ah. Missed that one. Okay. This is a time door that I cannot open from this side, so I probably go down here. Interesting. Yeah, not high enough. So that statue over there opens the door that I couldn't get through on this side. It's like a timer door. Okay, so again, I'm gonna mark this section here with a question mark so I can remember that I don't know what's behind that door, and just go back. Another statue over there. Alright, let's bring you down around there. And down we go. Alright, now I need to open this door, so I need to get high enough. Actually, is this high enough? It is. All right. So it doesn't have to be too high. Maybe just a little higher than regular. So that's a shortcut right there. Okay. Several places in this map that I haven't checked. Oh, hello, a merchant. I remember you.
This crown of majestic buildings was built to study the awe-inspiring glow, but hinted at the shape of a basilica once witnessed by fervent worshippers. No one has ever laid eyes upon it again until now. The miracle bestows its blessing upon us all by revealing to us what has long been hidden, invisible, and out of bounds. Cast your eyes upon our shop window.
Oh, what is this? Scorched Lily. Increases resistance to fire damage. It's a bead. I do have enough money, so let's just buy it.
We have no more items left.
Thank you.
Pray, come back later.
Will do. Thank you so much. Get over here. Ah, Ugh. Sure. No, you won't. What do you do? Yeah, I won't be able to reach that. There's too many garbage in the way. Whoopa! Give me that. Oh no, 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 no. There you go. And then just close this and you. Alright, now that everything is freed up, I can go back and activate the door. And just make a beeline for it. Whoop. Okay, barely made it. Where are we? There's another elevator right there. Oh, you son of a... Nope! Stop it! I hate you. Nope. There's another door right there. Oh. So there is a platform that I have to rise. Or maybe lower, actually. Let me see. That raises this. And I can do this. And open that door and then break that. And that lowers that bottom platform right there. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, it's... I can't be on a timer though. Nope, it's just going up and down. Let's unlock this elevator. Which takes us down. We're close to the boss battle here. I am actually going to explore a little bit more. Let's see what's over there. Oh, cool. Nothing. Well, kinda. See, there is a slight hint of a wall over there. Up in the corner. But I can't reach it, so this is a dead end. I'm gonna mark this with a question mark too. Well, yeah, question mark it is. But Wrong button. Alright, let's go up. I want to reach this point here because I marked this before and it's one of the doors that I can get through, but it's a locked one. So maybe I can open a shortcut over here? Oh, there's a bell. Nope. No, you won't. What does that bell open? That door. Okay, so you just come over here, hit that, follow the sound wave, and that will open the door and it will unlock permanently as soon as you press it. Press this, and that unlocks that. Okay, so we have access to this elevator from here. Let's explore down here, see what's behind door number 1. Wait, where did I unlock that? Was it down here? I'm scared. Can't see where I'm going. Okay. Bunch of mirrors. Let's go up. Boom. And oh, sap, sap, sap. Secret. Hey. An unfinished lullaby. What's that? Fragment of a lullaby written by a mother, intended to soothe the cries of the innocent one. I might know where to use this. There was a mother kind of holding a grown man, I think. It wasn't a baby, but it was like telling him to go to sleep. I could only trigger the conversation once, and then nothing happened. I don't even remember where that was. Hold on, let me check. Let me check the map. I think I marked that with a face. Yeah, here. Maybe I have to take that over there, because it has something to do with sleeping. Sleep, my baby, or something like that. What's over here? Oh look, chicken wings. Can I get some chicken wings? Nope. Okay, cool. This is annoying. So that's another unlock. Hold on. Okay, I can control this one. Take it over here. Just leave it there. And then switch weapons and then go up, 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 and bam! Alright. I should take it back up. I feel like that's going to be important. Or maybe not. Or maybe do. Yeah, I can use it to go up that way and push that lever for another elevator. So I'm going to leave you there. There you go. Oh my god. Ooh, barely. Okay. Little more. There. Okay. Come on, grab it. There you go. That's better. So that's another elevator that goes all the way down somewhere. I don't know. We're close. We're close to the boss battle. I can smell it. Alright, where do you go? Alright. Transfer over to this one. And where are we going? Ooh, secret. I'm not gonna be able to do this. There's those yellow things that I don't know how to use yet. Oh, jeez. But I can maybe grab this. Another unfinished lullaby. So that NPC probably gives me something in exchange for those lullabies. There's another NPC that does the same thing, but it gives me more health or more health vials. So there's two things that it gives me. So that other one probably exchanges lullabies for something else. And I don't know how to use those gold shimmers, so I'm just gonna go this way. Oh, it's a shortcut. Back to the save point. So I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if I should go to the boss battle just yet. I want to go and check those lullabies, see if that might be useful for what I'm about to encounter. Because right now, if I go up again, the boss battle is right there. Actually, I'm gonna go and see if there is another save point just next to it, maybe. Usually there are. I'm having fun. This is fun. Alright, let's see what do we have here. There's the save point. Good. Definitely a boss battle coming through. Is the NPC going to be here? Nope. Okay, so I'm not going to go in there just yet. I want to go back to all the way down here and see what those lullabies give me. And what I can do is just rest in this save point, go back to the city, and then head down. Wait. Where's the hand on this place? Or maybe I should explore this area a bit more, because there's gotta be a hand, a teleport somewhere. There's always one teleport room on every biome of the map. So maybe I just explore a bit more. There is like this door over here. I never went there. Or this one or that one. Yeah, let's do that. Let's explore a bit more, because if I go back, then I'll have to go through this hand, up this elevator. Well, shouldn't be that hard, actually. There's an elevator here and here. Yeah, okay, no. I'm gonna go back to the city. And see what those lullabies give me. So I should go down the well. Yeah. Down the well and to the bottom. Ow. No, you won't. Bonk. Bonk. Oh, just fall. There. Ow. Bonk. And bonk. You know what? You piss me off. You get bonked. So, okay. There's supposed to be a treasure here that I cannot reach just yet. Which is all the way over there. I don't know how to reach that. I can't jump that high, so no treasure for me just yet. So now we go down. You. That's rude. Throw it. Just die already. Now from here we go this way and around. Over here. Okay, let's see. There it is. Nope, wasn't here. Dang it. Thought it was here, so no answer. Where do I use those then? Lullabies. Intended to soothe the cries of the innocent one. I don't know where this is used. Not yet. Alright, we're going back. Okay, so let's do this fast. Oh, no! Don't fall. I'm actually going to do this and head over to prayers. Set the chant to this one. And just do this. Back to the city. I guess we're fighting. We're fighting the boss battle. You guys ready? Alright, let's go to the hand. Let's go talk to the hand. Which is up there. Not that. Just jump. There we go. And we're gonna go here, and then take the elevator up, and then another elevator. It's just a bunch of elevators from here up. I'm doing the elevator music. You could bonk and bonk again. And now I can go. Where is the elevator? Okay, all the way there. Chicken wings! Rude. Stop. Stop. You've acquired a mark of martyrdom. That's like points that you get depending on how many experience points you accumulate. And you can use those points to increase the number of slots you have here. Right now I have 6 and I'm still missing 2. How many points do I have? Where are the 14 out of 40. Down there in the bottom left corner. 14 points out of 40. Going up. Ding. Going up. Ding. We have arrived. All right, it's boss battle time. I haven't seen this one yet. Don't know what to expect. Okay, let's go. Ooh, ominous. Oh, hi.
I live.
Not for long.
I live again inside this merciless and cold metallic casing. I live in this cage in the shape of what was long ago my body. I live,
He's one of us,
and I
but
feel that
corrupted.
I am directed by forces that undermine mine own will.
Therefore corrupted.
I live. Although when I close my eyes in the intimate darkness behind my eyelids, I am still dead.
So the idea is that I already fought 2 of these. Oh shit! You're not gonna wait? Fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Rude. Just give me a moment. Oh, okay. Alright, so you got that bullshit. Gotta time those right. There. Oh my god. I need some fire protection. I can only see that. You son of a bitch. Okay. I'm learning the moves. Learning the bullshit. So let me go and find, there's gotta be a beat somewhere. Do I have something against increases tears of atonement, traps, miasma, lightning, fire damage. So I need this because that thing is basically made of fire. I should probably use something faster because he's not staying put for long. But I'm gonna try this weapon still. Let me get my stuff. Oh, come on. Just like that? And then you drop. And then you do that again. And then bonk. And then bonk. And then bonk again. Are you gonna try and punch me? Yes. Gotta time that one. Let's heal. Do not change weapons. Bonk. Run into that one. Heal. And then you turn into that stuff again. That was terrible. Get closer enough. so I can bonk you. Bonk you. And bonk. Ah, missed that one, didn't you? And bonk. And bonk again. Haha! I'm learning. You're pretty much dead already. No, you won't. You have a second phase. You have a second phase, don't you? Ow. Yep. Second phase. What are you? You horrible little thing. Oh my god, stop it. Just roll away. How many of those do you have? Yeah, okay, stop. Oh. Okay, you're dead now. Just die. Third phase? No freaking way. Now I have to fight both of you at once? That sucks. Oh my god. No, come on, guys. Not fair, not fair. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm gonna just go this way. Ow. Jesus. Stop. No, this is just no. Yeah, that's how do you Okay. All right. I think the weapon of choice is fine. It's just that fighting those two things at once is just so annoying. And the fact that they get both the health bar back. You know what I should do? On the third phase, I should focus on the little one, because that one's the most annoying. Because of the spikes that it's throwing. I can telegraph the other guy's movements easily. So I just have to be careful with the columns of fire. And while he's doing that, I just concentrate on the little one. Just kill that one first, I guess. Alright, let's try that again. By the way, I should change this. Though I don't think that guy is very susceptible to fire, I guess. Hold on, let me just grab my thing. Thank you. Ow. I know this guy's movements already. The problem is, it creates so many obstacles that it's going to be hard for me to focus on the small one. Whoop, I was didn't dodge that one. Okay. This is annoying. Okay, here and bonky from here. Alright. Sleeping Infanta, come on. Sleeping Infanta Naranja. Here we go. See, that thing is just freaking out. You son of a bitch. So I guess it throws one at a time and then all at once. I just die. Come on. Alright. Managed to get here with pretty much all my... Oh my god! Health. Spoke too soon. Come on! Give me a break! Alright, I'm gonna focus on the small one for now. If I can... See, that's the problem. He creates so many columns of fire. Alright, that one's almost dead. Just a couple of... Okay, that's it. Heal. Now I just have to deal with this guy. Which is supposedly easier. Just bonk and bonk and bonk again. No, you don't. Alright, this should be easy. And bonk. And... Come on! That was close. Stop doing that, come on! How many more times are you going to... hate that. Just bonk and bonk and bonk and bonk. And more bonking for you. Missed that one. You're done. And bonk. And bonk. And bonk. And bonk. Oh, come on. You're done. You're done. There you go. Second try, baby. Requiem aeternam. One mark of martyrdom. And there should be a lady coming. Oh, no, I have to attend the funeral of this guy. I'm just basically helping pass on to the other side. Forcefully. So I'm doing a good deed, I would say. Ooh. Okay. You good, buddy?
Be witness to this vigil before my final journey. My body has been returned to me at last.
See? Good deed.
I am now master of this flesh, of this trembling, of this agony.
Okay, kind of a good deed.
How sweet the pain when it is our own.
Deep.
Penitent one, you who came to witness the miracle, behold.
But the miracle, who bestows and wrests away its grace with inscrutable agency, saw its will tarnished in its prolonged absence. Erring in its newly created work, it conferred on that child as much its own as that of another. The blessing of deformity. It spread throughout our land like a contagion. Its accursed seeds germinating like the wounds that sprout upon the scourged flesh of the repentant.
The dying day already puts out its celestial light, causing my eyelids to droop.
Shh, shh, shh. Just go. Just sleep.
Let the miracle cast open its black gates, so I might venture to where that terrible dream, from which one never wakes, awakes.
You may go. Go in peace. Alright, so the idea is that I had to kill those three, well, just help him pass on to the other side of the dream, so that this part of the city will come down And then I can move on and basically stop the birth of something, the miracle. Oh, hi lady, how you doing? So that'll be 3 out of 3. Got anything to say?
The full testimony has been revealed to you, and the counterfigure of the witness has at last descended. The 3 great stone figures of the family have humbled themselves before us all. Raise your eyes as the dazzling beauty of the upper reaches of the city of the blessed name welcomes you.
Okay.
Now go forth. Let not doubt leave its vexatious mark upon you.
I should do that. Thank you. Let me heal first. And then we go down. Okay, that's the wall that we saw earlier. I can't jump, can I? I'm just gonna die. Alright, let's go this way. No, 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 no. Okay, so there is a room next to this one I haven't been through yet. Let's go and check. Okay, I kind of know what this is going to be about, so let me just get rid of these guys first. Yeah, that's the door. Oh, that's just... Okay, so that's those are tiers of atonement. So more currency for me. See if we can do this on time. Here we go. Ow. Plenty of time to spare. Oh, 1 mark. Okay, cool. Alright, that's that. I want to go through here and up. So there are 3 rooms I haven't been to just yet. I'm gonna go explore a bit more. Ow. Oh, you guys are annoying. Oh my god. Hello. Hello, sir. Alright, so it's 1... Actually, let's go up. Let's go up first. And then there should be a room across. Ugh, barely made it. I was here. I haven't been here before. You asshole. Oh my god. Sir? And I think I'm gonna die. Don't touch those. There you go. Oh my god. Can I just... Good. Okay, so that's gonna bring those down. See if I can do this in one go. Oh, okay, so I control this. Okay, so let's bring you all the way down. No. So there is, okay, let me check this. So there are 3 of them. I'm gonna need the middle one. So this one I can probably put... I have to reach the right side somehow. Let me check the down. Let me check down here. What do we have? So I can probably get that, get to that wall. Jump, 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 jump. And then, okay, so maybe I can leave this one here so I can jump across from the right to the left and then get in this wall, jump. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna leave this one here, like right there, and then head down to this one. I'm guessing this is the middle one. Yeah, so the middle one I'm gonna put somewhere around here so I can jump on that wall and then jump to the middle and then jump on that one, that wall. Is that how it's done? Actually, no. This should be up here, like around there. Yes, and then the last one. That one I'm going to put here so I can jump from the right wall into this one and maybe grab that ledge. And from this one I can jump on this wall, then jump up to here, and then jump to the middle one, and from the middle one all the way to the right wall, and all the way up. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one right here. And now I have to open that one, so let's go up one more and change weapons. And wapow! Oh, and I also have to time the... Oh my god. Alright, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, jump across. Wall, 1, 2, jump across. And then 1, 2, jump. Ah, missed that one. Jump across. Made it. You have acquired the guide. What is the guide? Is it a statue? Collection of figures. Firidina is the guide. So that increases magical damage by 15%. Okay. Is that all we have here? There is an opening up there. Haven't been able... Okay, so let's go back. And I have to go up this time around. I have so little health right now. Where's the nearest save point? On the other side. Oh my god. Why is this... Why does this have a question mark? Did I know? open that already? Thought I did. Maybe I missed something. Cannot go up from here, and that is closed off by that blue thingy. So I can't really go up. Maybe I can. Hold on. You go all the way up. Now I go here. Okay. No, I can. I can go up. Yep. I can't cross over because of that blue thingy. But I should be able to. Oh my god. I was already on thin ice. Alright, let me check something out. So this is the boss room right here. Okay, so that question mark has nothing here. So can remove that one. There is nothing there. And yes, we are going across again. It's annoying that there is no save point closer to that location. Ah, I forgot that this was a dead end. Nope. Oh my god. Can I bonk you from here? Yes. I'm just gonna bonk you. And move on. Oh, 2 for 1. Okay. Yeah, I think there's just one more place I want to explore on this side, and then I can go back to the other rooms I haven't been to. Up, and then up, and up, and up, and up again. Almost. So there is this door that I cannot open. there's this side. I cannot. Also, I can't cross here. Definitely. So that question mark stays. Can't cross over that. So I'm gonna add another question mark here. So those are doors I cannot cross. How can I go through this side? Over there? What's at the end of this? I forgot already. That's an interesting painting over there, isn't it? Okay, so that is just a way to fall down. There is no way for me to go up that way. I'm just gonna go find that out again because I don't remember. Yeah, I cannot go any way. Can go up that way. Okie dokes. So there's those two rooms, two doors there I haven't been to, so let's go and check those out before we leave. I hate you so much. Alright, is it this way? Oh, wrong button. One more down. I haven't been on this side. Hello. Bonus for everyone. Chicken wings. Chicken wing for me, chicken wing for you. More chicken wings. Oh, rude. There is a treasure over there. Oh my god. Stop. Are you gonna do it again? No? Okay, good. Switch weapons. Let me bonk you real quick. Huh, that's gonna be interesting. So I'm guessing this will move the platform all the way here. Okay. Let's switch weapons real quick. Ooh, almost. Oh, come on. So there are like two barriers up there that I can only cross. Oh, that's interesting. How am I gonna... I need that platform to not be there. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. So, okay, gotta move this. Head over here quickly, and then hit that, and then hit that. Ugh, come on. Let's do that again. Okay. Yep, there, and then I have to switch weapons. I have to switch weapons mid-air and then strike them. Problem is that from this one to this one, I have to change the order of those. Let's see. Oh, I have not seen this screen before. Oh my god, I haven't been here before. I didn't even... Okay. So I can... Oh my god. I was wondering why those tokens seem like useless. Alright, let's see. So that's... I already have that one. And the igniting to fire to... What is this for? Ooh. Press R after an attack on the ground to convert it into a powerful horizontal strike that turns Veredicto on or off. Don't like that one. Press R to turn off Veredicto, interrupting the consumption of fervor. This display of temperance can even be performed mid-air. Okay. Halves the time required to charge Veredicto. Okay. How can I change the order though? I will look at that in a moment. So here, I'm gonna move you. So I'm gonna move you over here. That way, if I'm here and I change again, it goes to Ruego de Alba, and I can strike down. Okay. That means I can do this, and mid-air I can do mid-air. I can do that. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, almost. Okay. One more time. I'm too late on the ground pound there. It's kind of hard to hit. Come on! Again. There you go. What is that? Another chant. Havera to the poison of jealousy. Invokes a memento of poison which inflicts miasma damage all around. Let me try that out. That's kind of nice. Takes it. Wow, it lasts for a long time. Interesting, because the other one, the one that I use more regularly, lasts not so long. Like that. Maybe it deals not too much damage. Okay, anything else I need to do here? Nope. I think we're done. I think we're done with this. Well, hold on. There's another door there. Let's go check it out. Haven't seen the I haven't seen the ads layout going off. Maybe it's behind everything else. It is. Okay, I have to change something here. Just realized something. Whenever the ads go off, I cannot see them. Have to move some stuff here. So that's the gameplay. That's the ad scene on top. And I guess I can stay there. Yeah, I have to pay attention to that more. If I went through ads and didn't notice, I am sorry. I will try to pay more attention to it. All right. Heading down. This way? No, I have to go down, don't I? Yes. Alright, let's check this way first. What is this? Oh, that's the weapon I already had. So instead, I get this. The punished one. So in the other two rooms that were similar to this one were the ones where I got the other two weapons I didn't start with. So I guess at this point I would have gotten the this weapon right here. Interesting. So up until this point, I would have been able to open those brown doors that I can open with a ground pound. Interesting. Well, it didn't make any difference because I didn't know how to open them until now. And what did I get? Was that a bead? No. What did I get? Oh, it's probably a statue. Let me check. Collection. The partisan, Viridina, the punished one. Increases strength of Ruego de Alba by 15%. Nice. I think if you put two of the same kind, they get... You see that icon in the middle? I think it increases the efficacy of both of those statues when they are linked together, I think. What's over here? Ah, closed door. See, I don't know what those are. I have seen... This is the second one I've seen so far. I don't remember where the other one is. But this is the second one and I can't reach it. Alright, let's go the other way then. Hello, bonk. Ah, he was more bonkable. Haven't been here before. Oh, look at that. That would have been convenient. Oh, there is a little child over there. How can I get you? How can I get you? Can't jump that high. God damn it. That's interesting. Let me check something out first. Change. So what are the things that I can do here? So pressing R at the last moment unleashes a devastating slash that strikes multiple times. Boom. That one's nice. Hold R plus Y with a gouge full to activate Blood Pact. Empowers all hits from Ruego de Alba with additional hits of mystical damage. Charge the gouge by dealing damage with Ruego de Alba. Oh, that's nice. This one, press up plus Y to perform a Crimson Ascension. Press down and Y to perform a Crimson Cyclone. I'm gonna unlock this one. Can I acquire this one? Yes. Oh yeah, I have to hold it. Okay, acquire that. I have 9 left. Let's unlock one for this one. This is the one that I'm using more regularly. So I guess I want the charge time to be cut in half. This one's locked. I don't know why. Do I have to unlock all the first row so I can move to the second row? Huh. So that'll be 1 and 2. So I actually can get 2 more. So that's the turn on and off. I kind of want that because it's annoying. You can't turn it off once it's on. Increases base defense. Oh, that I like. Press R after an attack on the ground to convert. Okay. So attack and then R. Good. Yeah, I like this weapon the most. I've been using it for a long time, so I'm gonna fully upgrade the first page. So that would be 2 more. Press R in the air to activate Veredicto with a quick air strike. Can be used to cancel air strikes. Huh. Okay, got it. Press R. Okay, the next one increases fire damage inflicted. Okay. And I was wrong. Cannot move on to the second page. That sucks. How can I unlock that one? Alright, let's spend the other 2. I like the pact. Press R during the Blood Pact to launch a devastating slash at superhuman speed. Partially consumes the blood. The Blood Pact gouge. What is this? I'm gonna stick with this one. And then increases mystical damage inflicted. And we're done. All right. Since there is nothing else I have to do here, I guess let's go back to base, I think. Now that I know how to open all of those doors, I actually want to visit all of these question marks. Like this one right here. Oh, there is another point. So this is where I have to go now. Alright, we're gonna stop here. Next thing I'm going to do is visit all the question marks of the doors that I didn't know how to open, because I know how to open them now, and just get all of those sections of the map completed before I move on to this phase here, this next boss battle. Alright, that was fun. I had fun. I hope you had fun too. From now on, I'm gonna try and mix up the games from stream to stream so that we don't play the same thing over and over again. I'm gonna think about what can we play on Wednesday. Can be a Switch game, can be a PlayStation 5 game, or even a PC game. I'm gonna look for something fun to play on Wednesday. And also on Wednesday we're going to continue with the experiment that we're doing with WebSockets, and hopefully by then I'll have all of the stream all of the stream things configured, so I don't have to waste time on that. Thank you so much for everyone who joined me today. I'm actually gonna switch to... No, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you all so much for joining me, and I hope you had fun. See you again on Wednesday. Stand by so that we can... Let's raid someone before we leave. I'm gonna switch to here. Stream held off pretty nice today. No hiccups other than the monitor thing. I have to figure out that too. I'm gonna snooze that ad. It's coming in 1 minute. Snooze that. Thank you. Let's see who's on today. Let's see who we can raid tonight. It's probably Moo. Okay, yeah, Moo. Moo Hoodles. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. I'm gonna make sure that in OBS the end screen is gonna be there. Yes. Okay. Back to here. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day and rest of the week, and see you Wednesday. Bye.
And next year, and that would be devastating. Like, what is the future for space exploration with that? There's not. There's literally not a future in space exploration if that happens. Like, NASA does not have enough budget right now, and you're not going to hear anyone from NASA saying it, because I'm pretty sure they can't say that, right? But I don't have affiliations with anyone, so I can call things how it is. And yeah, no, like, NASA needs way more funding. They need more budget. Earlier we were talking about how, you know, they're talking about cutting different funding from like the New Horizons mission, or maybe just totally putting Chandra on the chopping block and just no more Chandra X-ray Observatory. They were talking about shutting down Hubble, and this was just for the Mars sample return mission, because they wanted to do that. If we cut NASA's budget in half, all of those are like done. You know, like there's not really much to discuss about it. It's just like brutal. NASA's budget is less than 1% of the US federal budget. NASA's budget is less than 1% of the US federal budget. So yeah, I mean, you know what they could do? They could tax like fucking billionaires and people who have a fuck ton of money, and then, you know, the country wouldn't really have issues. But obviously they're not going to do that, because there's implicit biases going on with the people in charge. So like, obviously no. But cutting NASA and cutting science is not the way to do it. And I think a lot of people know that they're doing that for obvious reasons, and that's not something I'm going to get into on my stream. But yeah, if you want to help advocate for the NASA stuff, there's a link to the top of chat, which takes you to the Planetary Society's Advocacy Center, where you can say, yes, we don't want to cut NASA's budget by 50%, and no, we don't want to lay off 1,000 people working at NASA, the most layoffs since the Apollo era. No, we don't want that. Also, hey, there's so many other things, and like, let's protect science. Let's just not like fuck over science in general. So there's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of different things you can do to advocate for science, but like I can't overstate it enough how actually devastating it would be to have that happen. Like, I think all of us in here like space, and that's why we're in here, and I don't give a shit about political views or whatever. Like, our love of space unites us here, and it unites humanity in general, because we can all look at the stars and be like, wow, we're all on this planet together, and we can look up at the moon during a lunar eclipse and be like, whoa, this is so cool, and whatever, right? Like, space stuff I think is just like the most innovative and just the forefront of like humanity and inspiring and everything.